my name is Ashley, the creator behind Blushing Blue Studios. I know the reason why you clicked on this video is to see my Enamel pin collection, but bad news for you, I don't have any Disney pins. So if you clicked on that, sorry, bye. To whoever stayed, hi. Majority of my Instagram followers asked me to do an Enamel pin collection as my first YouTube video. You asked, I'm serving. A common theme you're going to see in my pin collection is Sailor Moon, Pokemon, and Steven Universe. And a few speckles of other fandoms. I will make it a point that I have no official merch pins. All of these are designed by small creators like myself. I'm not gonna let you suffer and watch my face the entire video because that would be terrifying. So let me transition and you can see my entire pin collection. Let's go!
Firstly, I'm gonna show you my Sailor Moon pins. Sailor Moon was actually one of the first animes I've watched. As a child, I had a VHS recording of Sailor Moon R and I worn it out. My mom had to throw it away because she was so tired of watching it. I remember as a child I would play with my best friend and I would always be Sailor Venus. But as I started growing up and rewatching it, my favorite Sailor Scout is Jupiter. I have no idea why I love Sailor Moon so much. As I started watching it as an adult, it was just so repetitive. But I think it just holds the nostalgia that I love. Now, here are my Pokemon pins. Pokemon actually takes a bigger part of my childhood than Sailor Moon. My brother and I would love to play Pokemon. My first Pokemon game was Pokemon Diamond. We were such huge fans that we would collect Pokemon cards, plushies, stickers, and even watch the anime religiously. I think us both having that Pokemon interest actually bonded us closer. Even whenever my brother stopped liking Pokemon as much as me, I didn't stop there. Dare I say I was a hardcore Pokemon fan. I used to make fan fictions about Pokemon ships. I cringe! And for the last theme, Steven Universe. When I first watched Steven Universe, I was a little skeptic. I didn't really care for it at first, until the first gem broke down. I found myself relating to some of these characters. Watching these characters go through their insecurities actually helped me with my own. But I am not going to talk about that. The actual reason why I started watching Steven Universe is because of Ruby and Sapphire. I'm not kidding. You don't see a bunch of LGBT representation in shows, and watching Steven Universe is exactly what I needed. From Sailor Moon's Dub's cousins, I really needed to see Steven Universe and the lesbians! No, but I mean, Steven Universe actually helped me in more than one ways. Now these are actually my pins. You can buy them in my Etsy shop. And here are all my random pins. As a pin maker, I really want to create more pins than just Steven Universe. All I have right now are Steven Universe pins. And it's not like I don't love Steven Universe. I just need to venture off and try more styles than just one. I actually have a Disney Ita bag from Loungefly. I only keep my Disney related pins in this Ita bag because I can't detach the ears. Then I have a booty pin, a Mean Girls Official Broadway pin, and a bunch of dance competition pins.
Well, that is my entire pin collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I love showcasing it. I don't know if you could tell, but most of my pins are B grades because I can't afford full price at regulars. B grades are B grades are still high quality. It's just a minor flaw that isn't ideal. I don't care. I hope that was an aesthetic video. It probably wasn't. I cannot wait to make vlogs again. Especially studio vlogs. I hope they're nice quality. I hope they're enjoyable to watch. I do have an upcoming Kickstarter that I want to put out there, and I'm also finishing my last Kickstarter that was completely successful. So those pins are coming in soon, and the freebies that come with it. So excited. I hope everyone has a great day, and TTYL. Bye.